Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for refund on Canva Pro subscription step by step. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Canva refund and press enter. From the search results, click on the official Canva help page related to canceling a Canva plan or requesting a refund. Once the page opens, here you'll see the Canva support chat option. Click on it to open the Canva chatbot. When the chat window appears, select Ask Something Else if the suggested options don't match your issue. Now type a message explaining your refund request. For example, you can write, I would like a refund for my Canva Pro subscription because I accidentally subscribed. After sending your message, the Canva bot will review your request and provide available options. The chatbot may inform you that requesting a refund could also cancel your current Canva Pro plan. If you wish to continue, click Yes and follow the instructions provided. Next, Canva may ask for additional information about your account or the payment. Make sure to provide accurate details to help speed up the review process. Once your request is submitted, Canva's support team will review it and contact you with an update. Approval depends on Canva's refund policies and your account circumstances. And that's it. That's how to apply for a refund on a Canva Pro subscription.